Well, I might be trading in Big Red today. I'm still waiting for hear from the bank, see how much the payments are. So I'm not going any higher than 245. So, but I am going to load it on the trailer and get it ready. I'm going to start this bike up, which I absolutely dread doing, because I just don't want to, like I said, I'm not a mechanic and I don't want to damage the engine. So let's get ready, see what happens. You guys ready? Here goes. That went away smoother than I was thinking. All right, have fun, you guys.